let's do angel reading for 16th of July, and let's see what messages do your angels have for you. We have card number 44. My intention was to pull only one, but we got three. 44, swords returned to oneness. 19, charity, bring in love. Guardian angel, ask for support. Again, we have a lot of pink here, which is giving me the message that this message today is about your love life, or the love you have for yourself and for life, with the two of hearts there. But with the guardian angel, I'm getting that your angels have a lot of love to share with you. They have a lot of support and magic to bring into your life, and once you do ask them to help you, they will be more than happy to. Another thing is that you may soon enough get a chance to be a guardian angel to someone. Maybe that's a child in your family, or a friend, or someone else, or someone you don't yet recognize. But once you do get the chance, the message is that make sure to share that love with them. Share the same love with them as your angels have been sharing with you for as long as you can remember. And remember that help is always available to those who ask for it and who help others in their time of need. So that's the main message for the day. Be open to new possibilities, be open to new experiences. I feel that if you feel that something is missing in your life, today is a good day to gain clarity and insight on that. I feel that you will be getting the answers that you've been asking your guides and your angels soon enough. But before that can happen, I sense that something needs to be processed by you. There is a lot of love your angels have to share with you, the source has to share with you, and there is a lot of love that you have in your heart to share with others. But for you to receive the love of the source, you'll have to share it with the world, and for the world to receive love from you or from other people, it will have to cycle it back to you, right? That's just how the cycle works. But if in any area of your life you feel conflicted, hurt, or if there is someone in your life who've been taking you for granted, or who've been hurting you intentionally or unintentionally, whether you realize it or not, I am getting that leaving that person with love and realizing they are just not in a position to make better choices for themselves or others right now is the way to resolve the situation. Because with the joker, I'm sensing a lot of immaturity. Maybe this person, whatever happened in their life, never grew up really, and because they didn't grow up, they didn't learn to be empathetic, they didn't learn to be loving, or they didn't learn to respect other people's feeling and emotions, and like a child they only long for their own wants, right? And your angels wanting to know that even though they see the hurt that this person has caused you, even though you have had to play the part of their guardian angel and maybe fix their life or do whatever you had to do for them, it was destined to happen. Because whatever love you share with the world, that love will come back to you in some form today, tomorrow, or the day after that. It will happen. So the main message here is, if you have shared a lot of love with someone you know, or someone who didn't treat you right, know that love will come back to you in some form. Your angels will make sure of that. That's all I have for the day.